This was my second time at the ACCA's, the Aviation Content Creator Awards, and I had a blast. Let's go take a look. This summer, I took a break from my internship at Garmin in Olathe, Kansas to fly down to Rock Falls, Illinois to attend the 2021 Aviation Content Creator Awards. My good friend Josh also flew in, and we spent the good part of the weekend flying in different airplanes and talking with other pilots and overall having a great time. But before we begin, a quick word from our sponsor, Ron Parr. Hey Ron, can you tell us about this here tug that you're working on?
This is the new P4TC tug. It used to be one of these flying bee tugs. I don't know if y'all have heard of those or not. But the flying bee tug is obsolete. It's being replaced now with a new P4TC tug, which is more powerful, faster, stronger, and from what I hear, it has hair with it too.
Wow.
So that's one of the other features of the P4TC tugs that everybody is really looking for. It's one of the best selling options we have.
I'm looking forward to it. What is the starting price?
The starting price is well, it depends. You know, if you have the P4TC chocolate chip cookies, there's a discount, but you got to get that first. And then after that, it's like 10% over the 110% starting price.
Wow.
That's that new math. It's Common Core, but you know, most people learn how to figure that out.
That's a good discount.
We think it's going to sell really well. It's going to be one of our #1 sellers.
One of the biggest highlights of this event was this absolutely gorgeous P51 Mustang called Swamp Fox. And is that rainbow streak permanent now?
No, it polishes out.
Polishes out.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool though. You like the look of it on there?
Absolutely. That did look cool.
It looks cool. It looks great.
Yeah.
During the day, we also got to see Corey Robin and the Flying Cowboys perform a formation stall routine on a 300-foot grass runway.
How's it dropping? That grass drops away from you a foot or two. Smooth. Those big These guys have been flying together all week long trying to get to Oshkosh from the west coast. How quiet that is. Boom! Lock them up!
Yeah. Do you have a horn on there? This was without a doubt the most impressive landing of the day. And this aircraft is really cool because it's got a 300 horsepower converted engine from a snowmobile.
Oh man, look at that!
And check out how fast this guy gets his plane off the ground. Overall, Josh and I had a wonderful time at the ACCA's, and I'll be posting our flights and experiences in future videos to come. Stay tuned. Cool. Well, what is it? See you here?
See you here.
See you here. Thanks.
We're ahead. All right.
You're doing good